Hi, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to everyone, especially to Sir Shah Kamal and also to my all classmates. My name is Nur Diana Najwa binti Abdul Rashid and my metric number is 263842.
Hi everyone, my name is Ojo Fei and my metric number is 261369. Today, we are presenting our topic, which is topic number 12, technology in the restaurant industry. The back of the house technology system includes 6. The first one is purchasing and inventory control. The second one, kitchen display system, KDS. Number 3, food costing. Number 4, menu management. Number 5, labor management. And number 6, financial reporting. Let's start with the first one, which is purchasing control. Product management allows manager to track product through each stage of inventory cycle and automatically reorder when an item falls below the past stock level. There is a software used in this purchasing control called ChefTech or ChefTech Plus. It is used to import the purchase from vendors or online ordering system and comparing vendor pricing from the purchases. Alright, you can see here, this is ChefTech, the technology used in purchasing control. Every single item is listed in this technology very clear and systematically. The inventory control. The inventory control can quickly record the inventory and easily allowing new stock to be added. Then the calculations are done rapidly and monitoring tools are given for each item. And the software program prompts when the inventory falls below the reorder point. And when new menu items are added into the system, they are cost and priced according to the markup. Next, the second one is kitchen display system, which is called KDS. And this KDS system provides highly visible real-time information to manage and control kitchen efficiency. And this KDS system helps to get food out of kitchen faster, eliminates reheat, reduce labor expenses, and build better guest rapport. And this KDS system also reduces the amount of recook because modifiers and special instructions are clearly displayed. Then, this KDS system are installed in more upscale restaurants today than in fast food and casual restaurants. Okay, this is kitchen display system, which is called KDS. You can see there the time of the order placement and the table number, the ordering menu, and until the detail like no salt and add cheese are all recorded in this kitchen display system. Next is the food costing. When calculating the food cost percentage, a handheld device called PDA can enter the inventory amount into the system. The restaurant can do the food cost percentage in 20 minutes by using these technologies. The inventory control features can track pricing food costs automatically, compare vendor pricing from purchase or bites, generate customized reports on purchases, price variances, bites, and credits. We are going to look at the personal digital assistant, which is called PDA system. The PDA is a very small and portable handheld computer, which has many more functions than a calculator and the capacity to store information like a personal computer. Basic functionality available on most PDA includes an address book, schedule, calendar, notepad, and email. The PDA is convenient to use in restaurant field for quick data management, and the information can be synchronized with the PC. By means of a wireless network, information can be exchanged anytime from anywhere to and from a PDA. And the network will provide immediate access to all kinds of necessary restaurant and administrative data. Next is menu management. Cambridge Investment use Menulink to evaluate manager produce purchasing, test proposed recipe and pricing changes, and compare actual to expected food usage. The function of menu management is used to determine what's offered the food best. And recently, Menulink have developed a new features for its back office assistant called automated raw material transfer. So it's like this, when one store needs to borrow material from another store, a transfer is generated. Previously, this transfer were processed manually, but now with this new feature, the automated raw material transfer, most of the manual processing will be eliminated. We are going to look at a menu management software which is called Menulink. As we know that menu management software is quickly making an impact on food service establishment across the country. This system allows food service professionals to develop or reformat recipe, provide nutritional and allergen data on food ingredients, help determine food menu pricing, and address food labeling requirements. Well, it also can use as a cost management, forecasting to calculate the average and inventory through. Next is the labor management. The labor management system interfaces with front and back of the house employees' working hours, and they handle human resources information. It includes a module to monitor applications, recruitment, personal information, tax status, vacation, and benefit information. It also can do the scheduling based on the condition of business for each meal period, busy or not, and manager can monitor the schedule to control costs. The actual work time is recorded, the data will enter into the system, and later we'll do a report. There are two general types of LMS solution, which is labor management solution. The most common is the reactive labor management solution. This type of LMS platform is a reporting system that provides warehouse management tool reporting tools to help them monitor employees' operation. For example, this type of platform can provide daily, weekly, monthly reports about individual employees or overall department productivities. The other solution is a predictive LMS. This solution helps warehouse plan for daily employees' activities. It is a rather robust application that typically customized and built with optimized tools, apps, and functions. For example, fulfillment center manager can configure their LMS to meet their business needs. Meanwhile, a storage depot can set it up with many different labor management tools. This LMS system can improve visibility of workforce performance, save time and labor costs, improve productivity, and better labor-based decision. Next is the financial reporting. Back and front of the house system may interface by transferring data to and from the central server. Profit or loss statements, budget and variances, daily reports, and balance sheet are prepared with the aids of software programs. The advantage of this technology is that information is provided in real time, enabling operators to make informed decisions quickly. Next, this is an example of the financial reporting system used in a restaurant. You can clearly see that there is a start date and an end date, which means that it allows the restaurant manager to review the financial report on a certain period or a particular date. This financial reporting system can systematically generate all the different kinds of reports needed in a restaurant. The financial report needed in a restaurant are such as hours report, detailed shift report, cash tip report, credit card tips report, waiter tips summary, sales total, sales by table, statistical summary, payment and refund totals, and many others more. And the last one is e-learning. E-learning is a computer-based training delivered through the internet and expanding knowledge in the workplace. Today, the majority of training can be done online with the click of a button. A cloud-based learning management system. So basically, what is a cloud-based learning management system? A cloud-based learning management system is the one that allows you to access and use the learning management system without having to install any software or hardware. To access complete feature of this learning solution, you and your learner simply have to log into a web portal, for example, the service provider site. The instructional designer can directly upload the e-learning courses through their internet browser. The information can be stored on the cloud and can be easily accessed by any approved user from any remote location. Next, we're gonna look at the benefits of cloud-based LMS e-learning. First, it provides training consistency across locations. It is web-based, not platform-dependable, and can handle a high amount of traffic. It clones the infrastructure, allow bypass the hassle setting up new servers, moving application to servers and configuring the application. Second, it reduces training costs. It reduces training expenses for trainer and the cost of employees' time. It allows the training can be conducted remotely. Actual face-to-face learning is greatly reduced, so it reduces the training costs.
So now it's my turn to continue my part, which is point of sale system, which is POS. POS system is daily restaurant use in guest order entry, which is to take order, and also to guest check, which is payment. It is the technological innovation that has produced in POS system that are faster, smarter, easier to use and more reliable. Hence, it is good to the customer. Nowadays, POS system is enabled to enhance management of the total guest experience, table and kitchen operations, and back office system. POS system also has a credit card integration and interface with payroll and financial system. The wireless of POS system is getting better and smaller. It means that even it is smaller, but it was getting better. Besides that, the cost of installing a POS system will depend on the number of stations required. So this is the picture of sharp of POS system, and also the second picture is my 3D, and this is the micros. Now I want to talk about wireless handheld devices. It is the faster devices because servers no need to take a longer time to record order. It means it has to minimize mistake in order. The second one is it can reduces error when to take the order. The handheld system helps servers enter order into the system, start with seat number 1 and the moving around the table. The entire menu is in the hand, so server can easily promote or upsell their food item in the restaurant. And if an item is sold out, the handheld system will display to the server. Next, I want to talk about the topic which is pay at the table. When guests are ready to pay for their meals, a server can provide them a handheld service, so they can verify their bill to the table. Pay at the table solution puts guests in control of the payment process, which is they can decrease the risk of skimming. And the benefit to the guest is it can more peace of mind concerning security issues. It also the ability to leave the restaurant, which means that they have no need to wait for the waiter. It will also save the customer time and server's time. And this is the example picture of wireless handheld devices and also the POS system, as we can see this. Next one is web-based enterprise portals. The demand of detailed, accurate, and real-time metrics is an increasingly vital need for restaurant owners. It is to develop demand have been geared toward web-based enterprise solution. The third one is the competency is its centralization of applications which offers substantial advantages whether the restaurant owns has independent restaurant or their multiple locations. It provides access to simple management tools for their area. Next is gift card and loyalty programs. Customer relationship management stand for CRM. They can be worthwhile for a single vendor to combine. It allows the restaurant operator to recognize their guests with the most frequent spending patterns and determine the best technique to attract and measure the expansion of new trial guests into core customer base. The gift card will represent a larger proportion of their total sale for every year. It also helps to increase restaurant revenue, and also CRM solution give the operators the ability and issue of activate card. With the point of base loyalty system, the guests also can be used for subsequent visit. It also awarding amounts to guest account that achieve a certain point of level. It also apply on the spot discount to guest check. And the last one is elevating guest status from one program level to another level. And this is the example of gift card and loyalty system. So we can see that when the server serve their customer with gift card to the customer. Next is guest services and websites. Restaurant technology has evolved to the point where a restaurant can store and recall guest preferences for tables, wines, and also the servers. Table may book over in internet at any time, any place by leaving a credit card as a form of deposits to secure the table. Some coffee houses offer another form of guest services with a high-speed internet access. It means that customer can use the Wi-Fi in the high-speed range to make them easy to access the internet at the coffee house and so on. Next explanation is when the guests give their name to the hostess, they will ask for their cell number phone. When table is ready, a pre-recorded message will notice the guest. A wireless service also allows guests to feedback to the restaurant. Restaurant websites need a appealing, user-friendly and functionally, including accessibility and interactivity. Other features that are helpful is menu, photos of restaurant, how to get there, packing information, frequently asked of question, and secure transaction capability. For nowadays, it has a site that enables it to take reservation and receive payment for event online. It also can edit, change and update information on online way. Next is Restaurant Management Alert System. It also known as Micros Alert Manager, and it allows operation to manage by exception. The system monitors conditions and compares them to established standards. Next one is exception are immediately identified and alert is sent to the pager, PDA, cell phone or email for those who need to know. And for the last part is for the conclusion. By integrating solution like kitchen display system, pay at the table and web-based enterprise portals, restaurants are most likely to improve customer satisfaction, staff productivity and operational efficiency. It means that the restaurant management has to build up their business to attract more customers to their places. So the final result is a positive return on the restaurant investment themselves. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention, and you may answer the question given. Thank you and bye-bye. See you.